Welcome, my guest. I am Rain, and today I have more matches for you to enjoy in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So strap in, or do not. I am not your father. It's showtime. I do not have a good feeling about this match. Something about it. But we're about to find out. Señorita Yui. I need the toolboxes. I do not know the location for the toolboxes in this match too well. I usually run around and then sometimes this happens. I see one. Señor Leland. Hola, señor. Since he's going to be unlocking that one, I'm gonna grab two. Yes. Gracias, señor. Very considerate of your part, sir. Do you need help, sir? Okay. So we're unlocking doors first. I see.
Huh?
Hello. Maria, señorita, ¿qué estás haciendo? I will unlock another one. Looks like we're gonna do that first. Nuggets. ¿Dónde estás, Nuggets? I got it, Julie. You need not worry. I will get this one open for us. Usually there is some nuggets around there. Oh, shoot.
Oh my god!
My bad. I'm thinking about something else. Oh my goodness, it's Johnny. Turn this off. Turn this off. Johnny. You don't see us, Johnny. Oh my goodness. Run. Senor Johnny, you don't know what you want, okay?
Yes!
You're hallucinating. It's a lie. Please tell me this is open. Yes, it is.
Yeah!
I shall open this. And I shall close it again. Para que el señor Johnny does not follow us. Aquí arriba.
Hola.
Ay, hija de la fregada.
Oh my god.
This is my call to go downstairs again. Yes. Is this how it works? Cancel it. We need to go. Move, Johnny. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Johnny, you don't know what you want, sir. Oh, no. This is not going well. Johnny, señor. No, señor. Usted está con las hadas. This is not what you were meant to do, sir. Go in. I'm going to bleed out. I need to grab this. And then open this. Oh dear. It's over for me, is it not? Goodness. This is the worst situation. Thank you. This all has been really smooth, hasn't it, guys? We need to get this. Oh my goodness, Johnny. Please, you don't know what you want, sir. You're hallucinating. I am not the person you want, sir. I'm just here looking for, my chocomilk. Don't you want some chocomilk? We could have chocomilk. Everything is better with chocomilk, sir. Oh my goodness, I can't do anything. What is this match? Do you... Okay, I see. My bad, I did not know how to do this. Wait, does it harm me? Okay. Remember, I'm a baby still. Oh my goodness, I'm about to bleed out again. Can I latch this? I can't. I am distracting though. I am doing such good distraction. Right? Let's go. If I survive this, I don't know. I don't know that I can survive this. This is crazy. Let's go this way. Let's go upstairs. Actually, let me take this first. Go up. We make it. We made it. Guys, we made it. This is such a tense match. Goodness. Johnny needs to leave me alone. My butt cheeks are definitely, figuratively, clenched. Such an intense first match. Oh, Nuggets. I was asking, were you aware? This is not the time, Nuggets.
I'm good. Just stay calm.
Yes, stay calm. I need healing. Nuggets, if you open your mouth. This is opened, isn't it? Yes. Lovely. How did she know? I think I'm dead here. How did she know? She streams sniping. Just kidding, I'm not streaming. Go through here. Don't go through there. Just going to go back. Ugh. Okay. It is too early to say how I feel about this match. Just yet, who do we have? Cook, Hitchhiker, and Nancy. I don't know. I think that's a rough combo. Not the roughest, but still a pretty rough one. We're getting the lockpicks of luck, of good luck. This lockpick that I am carrying is going to give me good luck. Isn't it, lockpick? You better give me good luck. Or else. No fries for you. Isn't that right, Nuggets? Señor Nalgas de Pollo. Such sassy chicken. Let's open more doors. I think I will open another one. And then maybe go out since my team seems to not be rushing. I take that back. Well, they could have rushed more. I'm going to stay here for now because I don't know that a family member might rush back or into the basement. Let's go. Let's open. Thank you, sir.
Danny, over here.
Nuggets is there, ready to andar de chismoso. Señor Nalgas de Pollo, please don't tell that we're here. Be a good chicken. Okay, let's head this way. There is a bulb thing here. Where's the bulb? Okay, look at this. Disable it. Yes. Sneaky. Let's do this, come on. Okay, I managed. He's here. Oh no, sorry, Danny. I did not mean to. I'll get this. Thank you, Danny, and I am sorry for that. I did not mean to. Wait, let's see. No, it's going back. I'm going to well. My no cells have been consumed, but one exit is open. I'm gonna inform my teammates. Guys, one of the exits is open in the car battery side. Communication is key, right? The good type of communication, of course. Yes! And this is definitely the good type. Isn't that right, chicken nuggets? Exactly. That's what we like to hear. I think that hitchhiker is going to activate. Oh, drop. Risky. I think someone is there. Let's be patient. Patience is key. At times. Maybe we can open another door. They seem to be camping there. Or maybe we can go back. They could be gone now. Maybe. Was I crouching? Please. Nuggets. Okay, muy bien. This is open still. Oh, someone is dead. He put a padlock in it. How does he know? How did these people know? Oh no. I've been poisoned. I'm dead again. The first matches have been rough tonight. Lots of emotional laziness too. In the endgame chat from the family part. Victims have been nice though. There you go. You can have it. Duly. Oh. This first.
Oh my god!
Maybe. That was butt clenching. Should I open this just in case? I think I should. Wait. Oh my goodness. This is tense. I hear nuggets here. Should I go back for a lockpick? Oh, maybe not. Okay, let's... I think we should go upstairs. This is too risky right now. To be downstairs. Oh. Thank you, Julie. Gracias, señorita Julie. This is the part where we go up. Nuggets, por favor. Don't say anything. Oh my goodness, you're camping upstairs. I think we ought to go for another lockpick. I'm going to grab one of these, just in case. I am not good with backstabbing, as I said before, but I can always try. Sometimes it works. They are rushing the grandpa. I should do something about it. Who is it? Leatherface, Cook, and the hitchhiker is the three of the movie. Are they still camping this area, you think? Nuggets. Si dices algo. There he is. Let's destroy this. Vamos a destruir esto.
Yeah!
Let's talk to Grandpa.
Yeah!
And screw Grandpa. And then we leave, and then we run, and we hope for the best. And then we leave, and we hope for the best. And then we try to dodge, but we don't. And then we look for a well. And then we find the well, and we go down it. And hope that it works. And we get out of here, because I have the feeling that they're going to calm down and chase me. Well, I managed to make some good thing with the grandpa.
Yeah!
So I think I made myself useful. Very nice. Thank you, thank you. Good progress. What's from where? I need health. Where did they escape from? Let me see if I can ask. Does anybody know where they escaped from? I think I'll die. I can't find any... Oh, there's disconnecting? Yes. I can't find any healing. Yes, it's only the cook left.
Oh my
This
god.
is good for us. I need some healing though. I might die still. Or not. I'll consider that a win. That was a good match for us. For a change.
It's home over a year ago.
I got my long-sleeved shirts. It's October. It's spooky month. It's spooky month with E because we speak Spanish in this channel sometimes. We need to open things. Can I open this door? Hang on. He seems busy doing things. Please, 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 can I open this without being detected? Okay, here we go, here we go. Shoots. Hola, señorita Julie. I see a chunky juice. Is this open? No, okay. I will grab another one.
Oh my god!
Oh my goodness. He might be blind, but I am not complaining. Let's get out of here. Let us head. I don't know. It's a 50-50, it seems, in this map. Either they are on this area, all of them, or most of them, or they are on the other one. Hitchhiker, El Johnny, y Leatherface. I will try and open Carbatree's side. Nuggets. You best not say a thing. I think someone is being killed. Can we get this off in time? Please. Oh my goodness, I feel a knot in my stomach. I think that's the thing that comes with being a baby. You just get nervous. Where are chicken nuggets, please? I think it's in this thing, right? The chicken nuggets, please. Yes, here it is. Okay. Deep breaths, Rain. Deep breaths. Let's get this open. Careful with the splashes. The splashes and the splashes. I'm nervous, guys. I'm actually nervous. This is the type of matches where my heart is beating. Nuggets, por favor. If you say something, I swear. We get this up in time? Yes, we do! We did it, guys! Carbatry area is open. If anyone needs that information. They are in the center, I think, but they might come this way now. Be careful. Oh, it's only me, my bad.